Guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is very special to me. I'm doing my very first unboxing. One of my subscribers sent me a gift and we're gonna open it today. It came in the mail. I'm fresh off work, so I'm really tired. My makeup's kind of like done, but you know, I still have to do this unboxing video. It's part of my job as a YouTuber. Okay, no, for real. So yes, this is a 10-piece brush set by Kooba? I don't know. Yes, it's a 10-piece oval brush set, and it also comes with a little brush stand and a brush cleaner. So yes, it is about 5 face brushes for like foundation, concealer, blush, eyeshadow, things like that. And then we have 3 linear brushes, the really small thin ones. Those are like for eyeliners, for brow definition, and things like that. Sorry, I have to look at my notes. Never done this before, excuse me. And then I have 2 round brushes. These are for like lip color, spot concealer, spot eye color, and things like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the box up so you guys can see how the packaging is. Very nice, very pretty. I love the purple. Thank you. Open this up. It's like Christmas all over again. Yes, these are really pretty. Put up. One's about to fall out. Alright, there we go. So, it'll be okay. It'll live. Okay, so these are the brush sets. Then we have this big one right here. I've never used an oval brush set before, so I'm not really familiar with it. I'm pretty excited to get started. So yes, we're gonna go okay, we're gonna go down the line. So these right here in the middle are these are the face brushes, and then we have our linear brushes right here, and then this one down here, and on the ends are our round brushes. For the round brushes, pull one out. One is a flat top, and the other one, so this is the flat top right here, and then we have the dome one right here. So I'm pretty excited to start using these. And let's see. We're gonna take the biggest one right here. This is really nice. Oh my god, they're so soft. Oh my god, this is like heaven. This is like a pillow right here. It's amazing, and I really like this color. I kind of wanted something that was, you know, full of pizzazz, because I have like these basic black brushes, so I'm pretty excited to get some color in there. These are vegan and 100% cruelty free, so kudos to that. And sorry, let me go back to my notes really quick. And yeah. Oh, let me show you guys the brush stand. I gotta pause for a second, and then I'll go grab it because I have to put it together. Be right back. Okay, so we're back. I put it together. It actually came with like its own screwdriver, which is pretty cool. I have a lot laying around the house, but you know, theirs was purple, so I'm like, cool, I'll use it. So this is the brush stand right here. It has a space for all 10 biggest to the smallest. It's black, so it fits in with everything else that I have here. It still has the plastic on it. I do not like taking plastic off my stuff, just so I can preserve it. Like, if you guys could see my TV, it literally still has the plastic on it. If you guys know me, I like to preserve stuff for as long as I can, because I am a broke college student, like most of us. So yes, I'm very happy. I'm very pleased with this gift. I can't wait to get started. And yeah, I hope you guys really like this video. Please let me know what you think about it in the comments, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And again, to my subscriber Zion, thank you. I really appreciate it. All right, you guys have a good day.